In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Grok AI on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, I open up Google Chrome and click into the search bar at the top of the browser. I type in Grok and press enter to look up the search results. From the results on screen, I find the main link for Grok and click directly on it to open the website. Once the Grok interface loads in my browser, I head over to the top right corner and click on the 3 vertical dots to open the Google Chrome menu settings. I scroll down the list and hover over Cast, Save, and Share to open its sub-menu. From there, I move my cursor and click on the Install Grok option. A small confirmation pop-up window appears at the top of the browser asking if I want to install the app. I proceed by clicking the Install button. The page instantly reloads, and Grok now opens up smoothly as a dedicated standalone application window right on my desktop. I click the Maximize button at the top right to make it full screen. Now that the app is open and ready, I click into the conversation bar at the bottom center where it says, "What do you want to know?" to test out the application. I type out a sample prompt, "Teach me how to read nutrition labels when buying food at the grocery store." Once I'm done typing, I click the arrow button to send the request. The application immediately begins processing my question, showing a live, working status indicator. Grok actively searches the web for relevant guides, review materials, and common mistakes regarding nutrition labels to formulate a comprehensive answer. After a short moment, it starts generating a structured response piece by piece, breaking down key details like serving sizes, calculating calories, analyzing nutrient percentages, and recognizing what components to limit or add to a balanced diet. The text continues to stream down beautifully as the application delivers the full explanation directly inside the newly installed desktop window. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.